Well, good afternoon. I am tax attorney, America's tax attorney, Nehemiah Jefferson, and I am joined, as usual, by my esteemed colleague, attorney Jamila Little. How are you this afternoon or evening?
Good afternoon, Attorney Jefferson. Doing good today. A little bit tired, but no complaints. Very happy that we were able to make it on today to continue our lives. So doing well. Thank you. How are you? How are you been? How was your week?
It's been a great week so far, and I'm certainly glad that you are able to join me, but you don't look like you're in your office. Where are you today?
No, actually not in the office. So actually in DC today. I was part of the American Immigration Lawyers Association National Day of Action. And so I'm actually just in the lobby from my hotel. And we just came back from meeting with our state representatives and our state senators. So I can certainly talk a little bit more with regards to that. But I'm here in DC advocating for immigrants, advocating for my clients, for change and for legislation that would support seeing immigrants prosper, um, seeing the backlogs fixed, and seeing a better immigration system being implemented.
That's very admirable and certainly understandable. And my understanding is that you have a DC office as well, correct?
That is correct. So I think a couple weeks ago we mentioned well, we are both licensed in DC. So
Yes.
I am licensed here in DC, and recently um, started renting some office space off of I Street in DC. So yeah, I currently do have an office in DC. So if you are looking for an immigration attorney and you're in DC, feel free to reach out to me. I will certainly be happy to help.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, guess what we're talking about today, Attorney Little? We are talking about what to do if the IRS visits you. So I just want to share quickly three things that an individual or business owner or either a tax professional should do if they are visited by the IRS. First and foremost, if the IRS visits you, whether it's for an audit or examination, or if it is an IRS, should I say an IRS criminal or special agent visits you, if that happens, you're going to do three things. You're going to, number one, you're not going to talk.
Say
You're going to
nothing.
remain silent, say nothing. You're
Leave the
going
phone.
to you're going to only say that I'm not going to be talking or I'm not going to answer any questions in regards to tax matters. That's the first thing you're going to do. The second thing you're going to do is not turn over any documents regardless of what their request may be. But guess what, the third thing everybody should do? You should contact America's tax attorney. We can be reached at 877-575-7765. Or certainly you can see the web address, americastaxattorney.com. Get in contact with us. We can help protect your Fourth and Fifth Amendment rights, which often comes up in both civil and criminal tax matters, or could potentially come up in civil and certainly criminal tax matters as well. So those are three things that you should do. If the IRS visits you, again, to recap, you're going to remain silent. You're not going to turn over any documents, and you're going to contact America's tax attorney. You have anything else to suggest, Attorney Little?
I think those are three great points, especially the last one. You certainly want to get counsel, get representation if you have such an issue. And what better attorney to get than America's tax attorney? You certainly would be secure and be confident that you have good representation. So I think those are great points.
Well, I think also maybe you will agree me. Hopefully, I assume you're going to agree with me on this. The best time to contact an attorney is as soon as possible. There's so many things that can happen or transpire in between your actions and contact the contacting an attorney, a tax attorney, whether it's tax attorney or immigration attorney, things that can be harmful to your case. So we would definitely like to encourage you to contact us as soon as possible, or contact
Agreed.
an attorney as soon as possible. As soon as you have a legal concern, that is when you should contact an attorney.
Agreed. At least do a consultation.
Sure, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Well, we hope to be with you on next Thursday. And Attorney Little, safe travels
Thank you.
and enjoy your time in DC.
I
And
will.
we'll see you. I'll look forward to seeing you again on next week. Visit our website, everybody. Visit our websites, americastaxattorney.com or littlelawpa.com. Send us questions, send us concerns, or anything that you would like us to discuss in the future. We'll see you on next week.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.